So welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is the holiday season, and no holiday is complete without a good dessert, right? So I have my friend Pheben here to help us make what?
Banana bread brownies.
Okay, Pheben. This one has a little spin to it because there is no what?
There's no cocoa.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so tell everybody how you made this.
So I added sugar, softened butter,
Yes.
eggs, sour cream, and
Yes.
you kind of mix that all up.
Yep.
Wait till it's smooth,
Yep.
and then add the mashed bananas. Of course, they have
Yep.
to be very ripe.
Yep.
Vanilla extract, baking soda, and flour. You mix that up all together.
Yeah.
Keep mixing that up until it's pretty smooth. Get yourself a little baking pan and make sure, I should add that you have to preheat the oven to about
Yes, that's
375.
important. Yep.
Yeah. And then lay that all out on the baking pan and then pop it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes.
I have to say, I loved watching you make it. It smells so good with the banana.
Yes.
It smells so good.
Anything that you approve makes me happy.
Okay, so you bake it for about 20 minutes, put the toothpick in.
Yeah, make sure it comes
sure
out
we're
clean.
good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this, Pheben.
Okay.
I'm gonna do it. And then the frosting, my friends, you can get that recipe online. Pheben, tell everybody why you picked this.
So I picked this because usually I'm like a healthy person during the week, but I feel like with the holidays, you should be able to cheat. You know, you have a little month of
This is a good cheat.
sugary. Yeah.
This is a good cheat.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
I would say 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Whoa. Okay.
I would say 10 out of 10 would recommend.
Wow, I can sleep well tonight.
This is delicious. And Pheben is really good at entertaining. She's always traveling with family. Family's coming in town.
Yeah.
So she's really good at entertaining. This is a recipe that you definitely want to try. So head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this full recipe and so many more. I promise you will love it. I gotta try some more.
Oh yeah.
Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.